Guys, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax. Today we're on board a 2023 272 center console by Sailfish. Beautiful boat, great layout here, great bow seating, great entertainer. It's kind of a great utilitarian boat because it's so comfortable, but there's so many rod holders, there's dual live wells, and there's tons of great space to fish on. Start at the back here, Yamahas we're doing on this one. 200 horsepower each, 400 total. For those of you guys checking my math there, you got a compartment to port for lines. You know, if you have some stuff you want to stuff back there, ladder to starboard. You have your first live well here, blue liner, clear top. Again, aerated aluminum, nice easy open latch and everything there. You have 6 rod holders in the back, ski pylon in the middle. I want to hear you guys in the comments what you think these are. If you guys know, don't tell anybody. I'll tell you guys soon. All right. Raw water washdown right here. Freshwater washdown here. And then you come into the cockpit of the boat. You have seating to the aft, and then starboard there, another couple seats there. This is really nice too for, you know, some of you guys that like to do it yourself, but this entire back section here opens up. You have access to all your bilge, everything down there, if you need to actually get to something. Tackle station right up front, all right? Port side here, you have a sink, 2 cup holders, and live well number 2, guys. So for you guys that are using competitive bait fish or stuff like that, or you just need a ton more room because you maybe chum a little extra, or you know, they're sitting out there and getting eaten but you're not catching anything, fill it up, you're good to go there. Storage underneath, all right? This is lockable here, and then you also have a cutting board that's removable and tucks right away on a magnet there. Fish boxes, either side, down on the floors there. Tuna door on your left. You have rod holders up the gunnels, flush mounted cleats, fender clips, and then as we get to the actual helm of this boat, you've got all Roxford Fosgate throughout. You got rocket style, rocket launchers up top, LED spreaders, Garmin electronics with the new Yamaha controls on there. So you got fusion as well as the Bennett trim tabs. And then down under the wheel there, you'll see again, all your electronic ignitions. Windlass is down there, rocker switches for your underwater lights, for the nav, everything is up top in the center of that console there. Beautiful, beautiful helm chairs. Sailfish really stepped up with the redesign of these. They use a nice diamond stitch upholstery in there, flip up bolster, and then this one is power adjustable too. So, you know, you don't have to worry about those slides breaking and stuff like that, tension, tightening. Footstep with the storage locker down below. 4 cup holders up front, and then this really nice storage compartment down center here. Remainder of your buttons and another locking console. So if you want to throw your keys up there and lock them away, you'll be good to go. A couple by the Garmin VHF over there. As you come up the port side here, this one's a little full. We just got this unwrapped today, but you have your cushions for the bow, you have your bow table, and there's actually a toilet and a sink under there too. Believe it or not, there's a ton of room down there. This is a really cool setup too. So with this, you have these backrests that when the cushions are on, they'll go down and they'll actually fit flush in. Your windlass is up front, but when you take these cushions out, you actually have an entire area to fish from up top. Really nice, really good access. If you're fighting inside the boat, you know, and you need to get all the way to the bow but don't want to step up, you put this here so you can reach there. And then there's also a table mount on the bottom side of there. Built-in cooler, more storage down the center line here. Storage down the gunnels and everything, another LED spreader light, full glass 3-sided enclosure windshield, and a wiper up for that intermittent weather. Guys, beautiful boat, great price. We got some good deals, good promos going on right now. Come down, check out this one, the other Sailfish we have, and any other boats you might want to check out. That at MarineMax in Danvers. We're at 10 Hutchinson Drive. Give me a call, 781-635-8684. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.